Hi, Rochelle here. So, I have a question for you. Why can numerology change your life? Simple question with a pretty simple answer: law of vibration. So, what does that mean? Well, everything in the universe is in constant state of movement. These movements are vibration, and the speed or rate at which something vibrates is called its frequency. Change your frequency, you change your experience. Now, there are many types of numerology. We can trace Western numerology back to Pythagoras around 400 BCE, and the Chaldeans numerology back to the Babylonians around 900 BCE. And then the Indian numerology back to some of the oldest Vedas around 1200 BCE. Now, it is, however, commonly thought that Pythagoras developed the more cohesive system. And this was the system that my father introduced to us and brought home for us to learn and guide our lives by. Like I said before, everything is vibration, just like quantum physics or a mathematical formulation. You change the numbers, you change the outcome. Now, in numerology, there are 9 cycles, 9 expressions, and every number in the universe basically comes down to those 9 numbers. Your soul chooses an expression to come into an experience in this lifetime. Now, those expressions are 1, the pioneer; 2, the diplomat or dreamer; 3, the entertainer; 4, the scientist or the home lover; 5, the traveler; 6, the counselor; 7, the stoic; 8, the executive; and 9, the spiritual leader. Now, you're probably wondering, well, how do I figure this out? How do I understand what expression my soul chose? Well, it's pretty simple. It's your date of birth. So simply you would take your year of birth, and then you would take your month of birth, and then you would take your day of birth. So let's do 1981, October, and the 30th. It will give you this number, and then you will take it down to a 5, and that is the expression that you will experience. The number 5, also known as the traveler, the action taker. The number 5 symbolizes change and turbulence. It represents the evolution of the spirit from the technical phase of the 4, which is the number of the senses, to the 5, whose lesson is to rise above the emotions, find a definite spiritual principle, and apply it, thereby developing the intellect and seeking new ideas, new meanings and theories, and creating a new life based upon spiritual principles, thus assuring the progress of the soul. Now, the 5 is a very intuitive vibration, and a person strong in this number is influenced through a strong force that centers itself in the solar plexus and makes itself felt through the medium of a hunch or a premonition. The 5s are very active and vital. They are hard to understand because of their changing moods. They are very quick thinkers and are always searching for a reason for things. So that is the 5 expression. Now, if you have any questions or comments, definitely drop them below the video and I would be more than welcome to answer them. Now, I have studied it and I have guided my life by it in relationships. I've guided my life with it in all kinds of things, with business. I've helped some of my clients make choices in business, in real estate, or selling their business, or even the name of their business with the use of numerology. However, do understand that even though your soul chooses an expression, the name that you are given also affects that outcome and your birth path. But that's for another video. So I will see you in the next video where we dive into the name that you were given.